Both Google Gemini and Notebook LM just dropped a bunch of brand new upgrades.
I used to juggle 5 different AI tools just to get one thing done. Then Google dropped this update.
Right here, you're going to be able to see that we have notebooks right here. If we click on this, we're actually going to be able to access all of our different notebooks. For example, we could access this one right here. We could see all the sources that are in here. We could actually go through and add in more files if we wanted to. We could add things from drives. We could add in websites. We could add in copy text. In addition to that, if we come over to tools,
Notebook LM, the AI research tool, now lives inside Gemini. One login, one tab, everything in one place. No more app hopping, no more wasted time.
we can actually use this to now do everything that we could do from inside of Gemini. We could use it to create images. We could use it to create a canvas, a website. We could use this for research. We could create a video with it, create music, create guided learning, create deep think, or we could also go through and do whatever else we want here. We could import code. We could add photos.
And if that sounds too simple to matter, just wait till you see Gemini run a real task completely on its own.
For example, they have some things right here like book a car rental, book activities and experiences, live research job listings, book a local service. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, find me electrician jobs in Port St. Lucie, Florida. And what this is actually going to do is this is going to spin up this agent.
But the real magic isn't the folders. It's what happens inside them. That's what agent mode does now. You give it a task, like finding jobs in your city. It searches, compiles, and hands you the results. No clicking around. No wasted energy.
Where this is actually going to be able to get things done, and this is what it looks like when it actually does this. We can see that it builds up this box right here. You'll be able to see all the different process task information. For example, it's going to define the scope. It's then going to research all the jobs. It's then going to compile all those different job recommendations. And we can see that this is now going through, and this is doing this in real time.
But here's where it gets even crazier. Google built this same power directly into your Drive and Gmail too.
Haven't noticed yet. So let's say that we're inside of our Drive and we have this file right here. We can now double click on this and we're going to see set up automation, where if we see this, this will actually give us a bunch of different automations that we can actually set up now with this right here. We could see that it actually can set up a notification for getting notified when a file is added. We could auto create tasks when files are added.
Inside Google Drive, there's now a Setup Automation option. You click it once. It sets up a rule, like auto-creating a task whenever a file is added. Done. No coding. No setup.
And this is pretty cool because this actually allows you to go through and see all the different things that you could do when something is added to a drive. And if we actually click on one of these, for example, this right here, this will automatically set this up and turn this on. Literally, in one click, we just got an automation built with this. And you could do this with so many different things. In addition to that,
and if one-click automation in Drive sounds good, wait till you see what Google built inside Gmail next.
Inside of Gemini. Guess what? If that isn't what you want to do, if you come over to new flow right here, we could actually choose how we do this. We could schedule automations to happen on a schedule, when we get an email, when we get a chat, when a sheet changes, pretty much when any of these different things happen right here, this can then go through and automate tons of different things. We could see that it could get it to ask Gemini to decide, to summarize, extract.
Inside Workspace Studio, you can build full automation flows. Set a trigger, like a new email coming in. Gemini reads it, pulls out the questions, checks your FAQ doc, and drafts a reply. All without you touching a single thing.
Recap unread emails. In addition to that, we could add if-then statements, we could add in filters, and we could come over here and have it draft replies, we could have it draft emails, we could have it notify us, we could have it actually go through and mark your emails in red, you could get notifications in chat, you could have it manipulate things inside of Sheets, inside of Drive.
And if automating your email sounds powerful, what Google built into Stitch next will completely blow your mind.
I want to do right here is I actually want to come over here. I want to use 3 Flash and I want to say I want to build a CRM for real estate agents. It should be modern and pretty complex. So what this is then going to do is this is actually going to come over here and this is going to actually build this out.
Inside Google Stitch, you just type what you want. Like, build me a CRM for real estate agents. Modern and complex. It creates a full plan, shows you the design, and lets you approve it. No developer, no budget. No experience needed.
In fact, we could get this to build out so many different things here. If we come over here, we could add in for it to build different variations. If we come over here, we could do the same exact thing. We could choose how many variations it's going to create. But basically,
before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
We could see that this has now gone through. This has created a plan. We could see an agent log right here of what this is actually doing. We could say, looks good, proceed, or we could change anything. And then this is actually going to go through and this is going to design this right here.
Now, if you're thinking, this is amazing, but way too much to figure out alone, that's exactly why there's a done-for-you system built for beginners just like you. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.